Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy Credit K talking to you guys about how to maximize the most money off your CPN, off your secondary credit profile, how to run up them bands. Let's talk about it. So, a couple of ways when you build up your credit profile from scratch, from brand new all the way up till you had it for 6 months to a year. There are different levels, that things you can get and ways to maximize your credit profile. So when you first build it, your profile is very thin, regardless if you put a bunch of AUs on there, until you have about 4 or 5 primaries, really about 6 or 7, 8, $15,000 worth of credit reporting on your CP. Then you're not going to get a whole lot. But for a brand new profile, no trade lines reporting, you can get approved for phones. You can get approved for auto loans through Carvana Drive Time with a very, very high down payment. So to reduce that down payment and reduce interest rates, of course, you got to build up your profile better. Now, that's brand new cell phones, cars. You can get some apartments. Some places don't require your credit score to get approved for apartment or lease, but majority do. So if you are applying for an apartment or a house, you will have to have a credit score. And to get a credit score, you just need one authorized user trade line or one trade line reporting. $1,000 trade line will jump you up to a 700 credit score. And I've seen people get approved for cars and houses that way, still with a large down payment on the car. And you can get a couple of more cell phone lines. So with a blank credit profile from T-Mobile, Verizon, may only get 1 or 2 lines, 1 or 2 phones. But what a more built up credit trade line profile, you can get at least about 3 to 4 lines through Verizon, T-Mobile. If you sign up on the business side, of course, you're gonna get a little bit more lines on the business side than on the personal. But registering it for the business, you can get, like I said, 3 or 4 lines. Mobile, Metro PCS, Boost Mobile, Cricket, a couple other lower class carriers. You can go and get those as well, all in the same day. Get you about 4 or 5 cell phones, sell those on eBay, Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, run you up a couple of bands real quick. All right, so now you got some money coming in. Now you can invest in some trade lines, some higher limit trade lines, or you can go the credit builder route. Most $15,000 to $20,000 trade lines gonna run you about $400 to $500. So you get those on there, build that up, and now you can start applying for credit cards and personal loans. Definitely want at least about $15,000 reporting and at least one primary before you go for the personal loan. But I have seen people get approved for small personal loans, $5,000, $10,000. In that regards, care credit cards. You want to get your teeth fixed, get your body done, you can get your care credit with just one trade line reporting. Another way, and once you start building up your own primaries, you can start selling those primaries as trade lines. So another way you can run it up and start getting some money off the CP. But to really, really maximize it is to get personal loans, high limit credit cards, and attach the CP to a business in regards to personal guarantee and business loans, business credit cards. Make your CP your funding partner for your business. Use a bank that you primarily haven't get any business loans. So if you have an existing business, best to use a brand new business, not a new business, but a business you created maybe 6 months ago, but haven't applied for any loans. Go ahead and open up a bank account with the CP, start building up a relationship, start depositing some money off the money you got from selling those phones, start depositing that money into the bank account. 3 to 4 months, they'll read those bank deposits and give you a loan off there. Stripe does revenue-based funding, PayPal does revenue-based funding. So what you do is let those Stripe, Square, PayPal, those type lenders read your bank account deposits and bank statements. Once they get a good judge of how much you are bringing in, then they give you a loan based off of that. Then once you got the loan, then you can invest in other things. Buy you some cheap cars from the auction, do cash car rentals, very, very good popular thing, especially people want to do Uber and Uber Eats, so you can rent it out to those people. What else? Another money making. Use that cash to invest in stocks, invest in crypto, invest in products from China, invest in products from overseas, resell them, wholesale, designer items, easy to resell here in America. Designer bags, designer clothes, designer shoes. You can get them from China, resell them. All right. So those are all ways you can use your CP to make money. Whether you are getting some cell phone, getting some cars for yourself, some rental properties to rent out, sublease to other people, getting your own loans, getting your own lines of credit, building up your own primaries to sell as trade lines. All of these things can make you money. All these things can run you up and make you up to 6 figures going into 2025. If you want a consultation, book with me at creditkay.com, at CreditK on all social media platforms, CreditKAE, message me on Instagram or TikTok, get at me. You know what I mean? Always give them the sauce, always give them free game. But if you want a one-on-one, if you want a phone call, you got to pay for my time, please. Just $50 for an hour, and I'm gonna give you all the game, all the sauce on how to build the CP and maximize it and get everything you need in life and get you that second chance apartment. You dig? All right, later. We out.